Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's make a spaceship. We're gonna start off spanning some pallet boards across some PVC pipe. I think we're using 1/2 inch here so that we can bend it. And then we're dividing it into 8 even sections, like a pizza. We got all this wood for free at Home Depot. They just give it away. We're making panels out of cardboard. We're covering them with aluminum foil, and we're sealing all the gaps with aluminum duct tape. We're making the landing gear out of plywood, and we're spraying it with metallic paint. We started decorating it with some rope lights. I even added a candy bowl that I got from the 99-cent store, but there still seems to be something missing. That's better. I think we're ready for takeoff. Now let's make some Martians. We just modified a Dollar Tree skull with some paper mache and some eyeballs. Added a bottle cap for some ears and a real basic paint job. We attached him to a body and we gave him a spacesuit. And we decorated him with some household items. Now all he needs is a helmet. Maybe this will work. That's better. Now let's make him a ray gun. I found some broken table legs in my neighbor's trash can. I'm going to use these for the base of the ray gun. We got some bouncy balls from the Dollar General, and we coated them with the same metallic paint. Then we just mounted them to the base. Let's fire it up. We added this guy over in the corner here, our boss alien, and we invited our neighbor and his dog. Sorry, bro. Looks like we're just in time for the trick-or-treaters.